Welcome back to Tech Notice, guys, and yet to another episode of Unboxing Tuesdays. So we're unboxing new tech on Tuesdays and main episodes are coming out on Fridays. So hey, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lauri. I'm the guy who does all these things here. Nice to meet you. Hope you stay around and you find these videos helpful. So without no further ado, let's open this big box. Today, this is much bigger than usual boxes. Probably the biggest box I've opened so far. We have another box from Edifier. It's called the R1010BT. So there is, can you see this? There is a box of these speakers on the side over here. So let's see what the reality is like. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Let's have a look. Okay, what do we have over here? Okay, let's put this on the side. And then let's pull these speakers out. Okay. What else is in there? Okay, here we have all the cables. And then, this is speaker number 1. And this is speaker number 2. So, look at that. Look at these. These are nice. They've got this wooden finish on the side. And then like grey leatherish something from the top over here. Inside the box also you've got a remote. Look at that. You've got a remote over here. We've got an RCA cable. Then we've got RCA to jack input cable. And we have a cable to connect between the speakers. So basically, look, this is one of those where you just kind of plug in your cable in the back there, you know, as you would do with like your home stereo or cinema 5.1 speaker system. And then we have a bit of literature, multimedia speaker. So let's hear the initial impressions. They look pretty nice. Let's just say they're not like, you know, they don't give you like a cheap feel. I think that is good, like just looking at the speakers over here. Let me see if these grills come off. Yep, you can also have the speaker without the front grille, which is pretty cool and makes it look like the KRK's rocket speakers, you know, with the yellow. Pretty nice, I shall say, very nice. Although, one thing I have noticed straight away from the box is that these cables don't feel like how much quality cables. They feel very cheap and like cheap materials used for these cables, which is a bit of a shame. It is a bit of a shame, but it's alright. The same with the remote here. It feels very plastic and very, very cheap. And there is actually no branding on the remote which would link to these Edifier speakers. It just says GPO over here, as you can see. So there is no actual branding whatsoever. So if you want to know the full review of these, stay tuned, guys, because we're going to check them out. Thanks for watching Tech Notice and another episode of Unboxing Tuesdays. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll see you very soon, guys. Thanks for watching.